How you can come to the conclusion right now that diversity had something to do with this crash?
Because I have common sense.
So when Donald Trump invokes the rhetoric of common sense here, he is actually expressing a cognitive bias. Which is not to say that common sense is always expressive of a cognitive bias. In a lot of cases, it is a kind of experiential reasoning that provides us with a cognitive shortcut. The sun has risen every morning, so it is just common sense that it will happen again tomorrow morning. Where it becomes problematic, where it is in fact a barrier to reasoning rather than an aid, is when we invoke it in the context of a complex problem, especially one that requires us to think critically.
What evidence have you seen to support these claims?
It just could have been.
What I think we have on display here is a type of confirmation bias. And what specific belief is being confirmed?
This was a job that had to be superior intelligence, and we didn't really have.
If you had guessed racism, I wouldn't have blamed you because that's usually the answer when Trump is speaking, but actually I think it's ableism. Trump went out of his way to mention that the FAA hires people with various disabilities.
After flying on an airplane with your loved ones, which every one of us in this room has, do you pray that your plane lands safely and gets you to your destination, or do you pray that the pilot has a certain skin color? I think we all know the answer to that question, and as President Trump said yesterday, it's common sense.
Although, who am I kidding? He didn't explicitly mention race, but this is Donald Trump. Racism was almost certainly part of it too.